Hey geeks, Tim Tibbetts here with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to reset or reinstall Windows 10 using the cloud, something new that showed up in Windows 10 1909. Nice thing about this is most of us don't just happen to have the latest ISO on there, and if your Windows 10 is heavily corrupted, you may actually need the ISO. So by doing it by the clouds, it avoids any potential problems or needing the ISO. So let's get right into it. Let's go to Start, Settings, Update and Security. Come over here to Recovery and click right here where it says Get Started under Reset This PC. During this process, we'll hit pause a few times while it's doing its thing. Decide if you want to keep your files or remove everything. Remove everything, obviously, or keep my files. Either way, make sure you've backed up your documents, pictures, movies, app settings, anything that you can. So let's go with keep my files for this example. And on the next screen, you have the choice of reinstall directly from your device or use the cloud download. Let's go ahead and click cloud download. And as you can see, it's just confirming everything. You can change your settings here if need be. And go ahead and click Next. This warning here is just letting you know, for example, we're using 1909. Let's say I decided maybe there's a problem with 1909. I want to go back to 1903. Once you do this, you cannot roll back to 1903, for example, or whatever build we're at when you see this video. So keep that in mind. If that's your problem, we want to roll back, go back to Recovery, and come here where it says go back to the previous version of Windows 10. Click Next. It will prepare everything, and there's a guide here in the background, which we always do, and I've got probably 9 screenshots where I walk you through this step by step with all the directions you need, and when the video is done, I'll embed it right here so you can actually click between the two. So we're just going to wait here. Now, as you can see, this is important. Before you move forward, the way I did it, unless you're resetting everything, that's fine. If you decided to keep things, take note of any apps that will be removed. If you can see where I clicked right here. And once again, make sure you've backed up everything else that you need in your documents, pictures, etc. And there's some little details here. Let's go ahead and click Reset. Now what you're going to have is the downloading. It's probably one of my first pauses coming up here. And you're probably going to watch 3 restarts, which means probably 3 pauses just to speed up the length of the video or shorten the length of the video. So we'll check right back with you as this moves on and gets closer to 99%. And we are back at 99%. This is step 1 of 3 reboots. This is actually, you're downloading the files from the cloud right now. And it will automatically restart each time. So here's the beauty of this right now. If you've gotten through all the steps to get to this point, you can actually walk away. You could almost count on, I would say, a minimum of a half an hour. You're going to have to download 3-4 gigs. Windows is going to reinstall itself, and then Windows is going to reboot again. When it does, it's going to come back up and install your Windows updates or anything else that you might need for the clean install to be completed. So once again, we'll probably be hitting pause here coming up as it actually begins resetting this PC and starts to install all the files and remove all of your applications, etc., as explained earlier in the video. So there it is. On our next return, we will be at Windows doing updates, and then we will show you the final reboot and the welcome to your whatever it says new PC. So once again, we'll be back just a little bit. We probably took about the same amount of time to download 4 gigs as it did to reset, and actually it jumped from 80 to 100%, and here we go. So this will be the next reboot right here, and now it's actually installing Windows. Once again, we will pause, and when we come back, you will once again see that we are about to do the final reboot where it will install your Windows updates and call it a day. So as mentioned, make sure you went ahead and walked away for a little bit. As you can see, there's no interaction required from you. And once again, we're rebooting. Windows has completely installed. And once again, just to remind you, because in the video time, it's a couple of minutes. In the real world, it's a half hour to an hour. And we did another pop, so you can expect sometimes, which we know, it may reboot more than 2, 3 it could reboot 4 times. So just to give you a little heads up on that, so if you happen to be watching your install and you're wondering what's going on, it should do it in about 3, but I've seen it take 4. So let's hang in there for a minute. All right, we're almost there. If you're wondering how easy this is and how well I am sure you can walk away, I've been eating some pistachios and I've been shopping for new cooling linen sheets. I just watched the UPS guy go by. I'm like, stop, stop. And I remember my stuff's on the FedEx truck. And yeah, it's pretty much that easy. Just sit back and wait. Did a pretty good job with this reset my PC. All right, let's hang in there a little bit longer. Yep, that was one of those ones where it goes 16% to 60% to 80% to it's rebooting. Yeah, one of those. So here we go. This should been the final reboot. And hopefully, by watching this video, you can see just how simple it is to do. Our big goal here, of course, is to hopefully get you over that hump if you're afraid to do it. It's pretty simple to do. I think you'll agree at this point. So once again, we'll probably click pause and just finish this out at this point. There's not too much else to watch, but if you're going to move on, feel free to click the like button, and the subscribe will show up towards the end of the video down here in the bottom right. We do appreciate that always. And we're going to tap out for just a second here and call it a day. There it is. So as you saw, it did the little thing with letting you know that it was doing the updates. And the only thing I didn't show you was a little screen that said almost there. And once that's done, you get Microsoft Edge will open up and say welcome your new version of Windows, and that is it. You are all set. You might see this also mentioned in the guide. For example, it might redetect keyboards, mice, and a couple other things. Usually not too much, and usually doesn't take too long. So remember, you're back to a default Windows. So as you can see, like I have all this stuff down here I didn't have before. So you're going to probably have to spend a few minutes, if you want, doing some customizing. That's up to you. But otherwise, there it is. It's a fresh install of Windows 10, and I mean, it took us, what, under 2 minutes to show you how to get it started, and you just walked away, and it was done. It's a beautiful thing, right? As always, we appreciate you taking the time to subscribe, like Major Geeks, and watch our videos. It means a lot to us. See ya.